Hospital of Lithuanian University of Health Sciences Kauno klinikos. Lithuanian. Lietuvos sveikatos mokslų universiteto ligoninė Kauno klinikos is the largest medical institution in Lithuania. The hospital was established in 1939 in the city of Kaunas, temporary capital of Lithuania during the interwar period. At present, more than 1,200 medical doctors and 2,500 nursing specialists are working at the hospital. There are 35 departments with different clinical profiles and 15 departments for outpatient care, which all are situated in 15 buildings. As of 2008, the hospital was governed by habilitated Dr. Professor Juozas Pundzius. Since June 29, 2015, it is the only hospital in Lithuania to have highest level, Level 3, trauma and emergency center for both adult and children. Name changes. Until 1948, Vytautas Magnus University Clinics. 1948 to 1952, Kaunas Area Clinical Hospital. 1952 to 1983, Kaunas Republican Clinical Hospital. 1983 to 1986, Clinic of the Ministry of Health BMI. 1986 to 1990, Petras Jazinskas Clinic. 1990 to 1995, Kaunas Republican Clinical Hospital. 1995 to 2010, Kaunas University of Medicine Clinics. Since 2010, Hospital of Lithuanian University of Health Sciences Kauno klinikos. History. During the interwar period, Lithuanian politicians and medical experts perceived a need for a major hospital complex in the area, and gathered to discuss the possibility on February 5, 1936. Soon afterwards, the Lithuanian cabinet adopted a resolution to build a hospital near the 7th fort. An international competition was held to select the best project. 6 different proposals were submitted, 2 of them from outside Lithuania. The commission chose proposal XXX by the French architects Urbain Casson and Iliauchinov. The development of the hospital quickly gained momentum. Urbain Casson met with physicians to gather feedback and hear specific requests and proposals for the arrangement of rooms. These discussions went on for about 10 days. The building commission acted in coordination to review the designs and sketches, which resulted in redesigns of and improvements to several aspects of the initial proposal. In 1937, the cornerstone was laid, marking the active phase of construction. The work continued until July 1939. It employed several of the newest building technologies. The hospital complex comprised 6 buildings, covering about 160,000 square meters, including a 75-meter-tall chimney. Its major buildings were linked through underground tunnels, with a total length of 1 kilometer. Cork was used as flooring in the corridors so as to minimize disturbances to patients. The hospital opened in 1940. When Lithuania was occupied during World War II, the hospital was adjusted to meet its new needs. The buildings were redecorated with camouflage colors. After the war, the hospital underwent further expansion. In 1967, a medical research and laboratory complex was built, followed in 1972 by an obstetrical and gynecology center, and a few years an eye care clinic was added. Between 1976 and 1982, a cardiac clinic and a neurosurgery center were constructed, and gardens were planted. The university hospital complex consisted in 2008 of 15 buildings where approximately 2,000 patients could be treated simultaneously. On May 7, 2008, Kaunas University Hospital was declared a cultural monument. On June 1, 2012, the new building for the Clinic of Children's Disease was opened. On June 29, 2015, the new highest level, Level 3, Trauma and Emergency Center for Adults and Children was opened. clinics, anesthesia, cardiology, children's diseases, children's surgery, dental and oral diseases, dental and maxillary orthopedics, ear, nose, and throat, endocrinology, eye care, family medicine, gastroenterology, general surgery, heart, thoracic and vascular surgery, hematology, infectious diseases, intensive care, internal diseases, laboratory, maxillofacial surgery, nephrology, neonatology, neurosurgery, neurology, obstetrics and gynecology, oncology, oral care and pediatric odontology, orthodontics, orthopedics and traumatology, pathological anatomy, pediatric surgery, plastic and reconstructive surgery, psychiatry, pulmonology and immunology, radiology, rehabilitation, rheumatology, skin and venereal diseases, surgery, urology,